Mr. President embraced work, he did. At full gallop, charge into it, he would say. Make things happen, action. Action was his fervent motto, and most of us had to lengthen our stride to keep up. Why, I would have followed him up San Juan Hill myself if I had been there, but, you know, in many ways, we did charge many hills together. But I must say life with TR was by no means all work. Did you know that the president loved to box and wrestle? Well, I was game to that cause too, first at the governor's mansion in New York State and later at the White House. Well, while boxing, I was able to use my longer reach, you see, to be more effective. I had the honor more than once of knocking the President of the United States off his very solid pins. But the President was shorter and much more powerfully built than old Gifford, and he was able to overwhelm me at wrestling, well, most of the time. Why, I remember now coming home from more than one round of jiu-jitsu at the White House, too tired to eat. That's what it was like living and playing and working alongside TR.